Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to check your indexed versus non-indexed website pages in Google Search Console. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Google Search Console account. Then make sure to select the correct website or property here from this list. And to check your not indexed or not indexed pages, simply click on pages below indexing. And as you see here, for this website called bentutorial.com, I have 54 not indexed pages and only 20 indexed pages. And as you see, over time, the indexed page number is going lower. As you see here, it started with 28 indexed page and it ends with only 20 indexed page. On the other hand, the not indexed pages number is going up. 40 not indexed pages at the start versus 54 not indexed page at the end. To get more details about why this website or some pages are not indexed, simply go back here, why pages aren't indexed. You can see that the not found pages, in another way, pages that URLs are changed and started showing the 404 error in the page or non-existing page. This is the trend or the development. As you see, it went slightly up. For pages blocked by robots.txt, they are remaining the same number. And for the crawled but currently not indexed pages, they went up. So let's check those crawled not indexed pages. As you see here, these are the pages. Let's open a page. And as you see, the page is not available on my website. This means that this is why my website not indexed pages went up a little bit higher. So what I can do here, I can go and rebuild this or recreate this page or just republish it if it is in the draft, and go back here to Google Search Console and click on next to done fixing. Click on validate fix. After fixing all of those pages, click on validate fix. As you see, validation started, and now Google Search Console will give those pages another indexing try, and the well-working pages will be indexed again. And this is how to check your indexed versus non-indexed pages in Google Search Console. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.